let's talk about naming cycloalkanes with 3 or more substituents, right? So if you have 3 or more substituents, this rule will apply. So this is what you do. You number to give the substituents the lowest set of numbers, okay? You number to give the substituents the lowest set of numbers, and then you list them in alphabetical order. So let's first and foremost identify that this is a cycloalkane with 3 substituents. Let's circle our substituents. We have a ethyl group, we have a methyl group, and we have another methyl group. So yes, we have 3 substituents. Now, here is a trick I will teach you, right? If you have 2 substituents, right, sitting right next to each other, to get the lowest set of numbers, put 1, 2 right here. And the key is you put 1, 2 in the direction that gives this one the lowest possible number. So that's if you have 2 substituents on neighboring carbons. Start your 1, 2 here, right? You will get the lowest set of numbers if you start your 1, 2 here. The key is your 1, 2, do your 1, 2 in the direction, and I'm going to show you that gives this the lower number. That's if you have 2 substituents on neighboring carbons. Now, let's say you didn't have 2 substituents on neighboring carbons. You're just going to have to play around with the combination of numbers until you get the lowest set, right? But the little trick, if you have them on neighboring carbons, is put your 1, 2 on the carbons that are right next to each other with the substituents, right? Key is the direction in which you put 1, 2. So let's play with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in my direction, right, with, I'm going to call them yellow numbers on carbon 1. I have my substituent, sorry. Let's do this because we're looking for the lowest combination. My substituents are on carbon 1, 2, and 4, right? 1, 1, 2, 4. All right, cool. Now, remember I said when you have substituents on neighboring carbons, you put 1, 2 right here, but the key is you must put it in direction that gives this third substituent the lowest possible number. So what if, right, let's say we had numbered in the opposite direction. Let's see what set of numbers we would end up with. So let's say I still did 1, 2 here, right? I still did 1, 2 by these 2 substituents, okay? So let's go. But notice now I'm putting 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? Pay attention. Where are my substituents this time around? They're on 1, 2, and 5. 1, 1, 2, 5. In terms of combination, 1, 2, 4 is lower than 1, 2, 5. Okay? So, for your lowest set of numbers, it's 1, 2, 4. Notice, like the trick I told you, let 1, 2 be right by, just let 1, 2 be right by those adjacent carbons, the carbons that are right next to each other, right, with substituents on them. 1, 2 must be here, okay? The key is putting 1, 2 in the direction that gives your third substituent the lower or the lowest number. So this is our lowest combination, right? In a second, I'll show you if we had started 1 over here, I'll show you what will happen in terms of combo. But let's name this since we have our lowest possible combination of numbers. Remember, Once you've done your lowest combination of numbers, you list the substituents in alphabetical order. So on carbon 1, I have methyl. On carbon 2, I have ethyl, methyl. Remember, once you have that lowest combination, then just list them. List them in alphabetical order. Find your substituents and what they begin with. E is lower than M in the alphabet, so you write 2-ethyl. On carbon 1 and on carbon 4, I have methyl groups, so you write 1, 4, sorry. You have to separate, because I was like, ooh, that don't look good. So you have to separate your letters from your numbers with a dash. That irks me. I was like, ooh, that don't look right. 1, 4, and it's two of them, dimethyl. Remember, it's your ring, cyclohexane. And that's your correct name, okay? 6 carbons in the ring. Let's highlight them. That's where hexane come from. 4, 5, 6. All right. Let me show you why this trick right here really gives you the lowest combination of numbers. What if I decided, right, to put number 1 here? Let's try that and see what's up. See what combination we get. All right, let's try it. Let's see. So let's say I put 1 here. So let's say I call this 1. It doesn't matter which direction I go in right now. All right, let's just go in this one. 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice my substituents are on 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Bigger combination than that. Let's start one. Let's start 1 here again, but go in the opposite direction. It's still gonna be a bigger combo than the one, 2, 4. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's our combo here? Substituent on 1, substituent on 4, substituent on 5. It got worse, didn't it? So 1, 4, 5. Bigger combination than this. So just trust me with my one little trick, right? If you have substituents on adjacent carbons, your 1, 2 is right here. The key is the direction in which you put 1, 2, and I just showed you that.